Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to check out how to fix duplicate transactions in Wave. This is something that can happen if you connect a bank account and also upload a statement manually. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is, of course, to log into your Wave account. And once you're logged in, go to the transaction page from the left-hand menu. Now just browse through your transactions list. If you notice identical entries, whether they're same dates, amount, and descriptions, yeah, those are likely duplicates. So to fix duplicates, all you gotta do is first click on one of the duplicate entries to open the transaction details. And then in the bottom right corner, you're gonna see a delete option and click it to remove the extra transaction. If you're unsure which transaction to keep, prioritize the one that's linked to your bank connections, since this updates automatically. Quick tip: if you want to prevent this from happening, avoid uploading bank statements after connecting a bank account. Choose either automatic synchronization or manual uploads, not both. Also, for a large set of duplicates, use the bulk action checkbox to delete multiple at once. Just filter by date or amount and select the extra and hit delete selected. And that's it. You've cleaned up your Wave transactions and avoided double counting incomes or expenses. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you in the next one.